Hello, magandang umaga po mga kapatid. Matapos po yung ating pagdaan ng bagyo si Christine, ay muli nagbubukas po itong aming SPD farm para muli may isaayos yung mga natumba, mga nasira dito. At sana sama-sama tayo sa pagbangon na mga nabiktima ng bagyo ito. At pagdasal natin lagi ang bawat isa at sana makaahon tayo sa tulong na ating Panginoon Diyos.
I want to walk with you, learn to sing a song I've never heard before. See things from your point of view, live life as a dance of hope. I want to light, Lord, shine throughout my day. I need your love, Lord, to help me find a way that leads to your heart, that leads to every heart. I want your light, I want your light, Lord, I want your light, I want your light. I go through the day, believing you're with me. I see the clouds and the darkness in my way, but I hold on to your promises. I hold on to your love. I want your light, Lord, shine throughout my day. I need your love, Lord, to help me find a way that leads to your heart, that leads to every heart. I want your light, Lord, shine throughout my day. I need your love, Lord, to help me find a way that leads to your
Isang mapagpalang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Muli po ay inaanyayahan namin kayo na kami bisitahin dito sa SBD Laudato Si Farm. Sa kasalukuyan po kami po ay nagbubukas uli ng aming farm para po sa ating mga bisita na gusto pong pumasyal dito sa amin. Sa kabila po na karatapusan ng bagyo na Typhoon Christine, muli po ay binubuksan namin at maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na suporta sa SBD Farm. Yun lang po at maraming salamat.